Minim sa what the Efya mame. Was in yes on to ne bani fo, what to for pan, but said Ghana for, and said that same say very sister Sandy Munko to J. And said Ghana for me Efya mame and Adwoa Awindor, the famous greetings from abroad. And it's saying, Mammy send a buy idea ye unko. As on the band choir the bonia, na media for assume, and Efya tiring yet, watching Efya no fungo, watching every crown for the enano at the tag gay say, by repanic cooking. Wo bossing wiase ni pengi na mse na num nanka emusibongi na afiri Ghana fo na eka na ma me sente sa oh ge no kwa di nan say ono ko ni ma de fe ni wi ye ka kokin krampa ono ko ni no bi sa se pada na woni ma de kro oh tin twato so na ye mont na ma me se wosem a ni dim ensa dansa yem mo ka ne ba no ho asema mo nto mo num nsuo ye fe bibi mind your business na wa choke kakra Efya mame na eka say.
But my intention is that I don't want any of these things cloud her mind and also disturb her ability to explore and her ability to, to grow in whatever she has chosen to do. You understand? So I rather look at it positively. I don't want anything to, destabilize her in terms of she did this and she didn't do this. We seem to be excited about so many things when it is foreign, but the moment it's local, we all go gaga about it. What haven't we seen? Artists abroad, what don't they do? They do all kinds of things, and we appreciate it and we admire it. I'm not saying that she should go naked on the street. No, I would never. My daughter knows that if she's going out and she dresses in some way, she knows. You understand? And sometimes I talk to her. Let people appreciate your voice and your ability than condemning something because of your outlook. You understand? I've said that several times to her. But you know that the system also sometimes requires some kind of fuel.
Depending on where you're going
exactly.
And what you're doing.
And so I'm saying that, well, if we hail the artists that are all over the place and somebody does something tiny like that and we make it look like mountains, I mean, to me, it's not fair.
Well, yeah, it's midnight stage, a live show over 4 hours non-stop. About creativity, she's got it. She's got it, yeah, man, show. Well, again, just say, what Badwam in quotes, or you're too talented, and so Ghana for once again, Mwebia, pull me down spiritually, you're strong. It's other thing as I home now, Mude, a man for sign essay or mutimini. I criticize where I say, more fast I energy, and share crafting him, now your creativity in your creative industry, no, and conning him. Ja, Charlie, talents go chromas and I'm young wado. Ye piano one say yes. Africa, here we come, Wakanda love. No say yes, Ghana. You can't say Ebano. Black Star, ye yaba. It's about time, ye be so ye dim, me and ya jehon, to say ye nay, mashe odd face, Ghana near branch, a young boy. And why you top your sister Sandy, me her guy level nowhere they are. Just shama miss Adom henny. Fabra, meshe ama. I idea over here the chat www.oddfaceapparel.com and I also be who know Instagram oddface forever.